Hello, do you want to send a mail that has table contents? Here's a video on how to insert table in Gmail. The first step is to open your Gmail account. Then, go to the multiple dots at the top right corner of the screen. You click on it, scroll down and locate Documents or Doc. This is the Docs. You click on it. Now, click on the blank page, the blank document. Click on it. Good. Now, click on Insert. Then, select and click Table. Now, in the options below, to insert your rows and column, you tap on it and drag along depending how much rows and column you want for your table. So, let's go with this. Good. Now, once that is done, to copy this table, you move your cursor to the table, then you press the key Ctrl C. When that is done, you go back to your Gmail. Now, at the top left corner of the screen, you click the Compose button. You fill in the recipient's address, the subject of your mail, and in the message area, you click Ctrl V to paste the table. It is done here. Here you can type in the content of your message. You can adjust the font size, you can bold it, and many more. So, when you're done setting up the content of the message and filling the recipient's email address and subject, you click the send button at the bottom of the screen. So guys, this is a pretty simple and straightforward process to insert table in your Gmail. I hope this video was informative. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more video tips. Bye guys.